What's up, everybody? We got week 8 here of flex learning or distance learning. Should be a pretty easy week for us, or simple, I guess, rather. Last week we took the test. Make sure you've done that. I think everybody has at this point. Friday, why is the magnetic field important? That kind of leads us into this unit, which is our last unit, woo woo, on magnetism and electricity. So we'll talk about magnetism, electricity at kind of a surface level and some basic circuit things. And that's really our last 3 weeks of school. So really we only have our Friday quizzes at the end of each of these last 3 weeks for our last unit. Remember, if you need to get in touch with me, use this contact here. There's a Google number in there as well as my email information. Sometimes I miss Schoology stuff. So we got 2 assignments on Tuesday and Friday. Let's just take a look at what we got going on here in week 8. I'm glad you're watching the walkthrough here. Friday we have our 10 question quiz on magnetism, which we started last week. On Monday we got notes, some homework problems that are in here. So make sure you access this because your homework problems are at the end of the pages here. There's 1, 2, 3. And then another 15 kind of fill in the blank questions here based on the PowerPoint. Now, if all you want to do on Monday is take the notes, then go for it. And then if you want to do that with PowerPoint or screencast, whatever you prefer, that's great. Okay. But then Tuesday, our job is to check the homework problems with a key and or watching a screencast. So then anyway, what you're doing afterwards is answering these 2 questions. One of them is just a, hey, how do you feel about magnetism right now? And the other one is a check for understanding. You can look at your answers and retake that as many times as you'd like to. So yeah, Monday take notes. Tuesday either do your homework and check it or just check it after you do it on Monday. Wellness Wednesday, check your Dean's page for what to do. Thursday, we have learned about magnets and research. It's just like a 5-minute video here and a practice quiz. And if you'd rather just do the practice quiz instead of that, go for it. If you'd rather do that, not the practice quiz, go for it. Whatever we got. And then Friday, we just have our quiz. So Monday notes, Tuesday, some practice problems, Thursday, maybe a practice quiz or a video about how magnets are used in research. Friday, little quiz thing. All right, guys. Miss you. Love you. Hope you're having a great week. And let me know if you need anything from me. Bye.